Hello everyone and welcome to our AWS Certified Advanced Networking Specialty course. The Advanced Networking Specialty certification is a highly valuable certification. It demonstrates a strong understanding of networking with AWS as well as in hybrid cloud environments. Now before you get started with this course, I do want to let you know that as a specialty level course, you should have a solid understanding of AWS before you get started. So I recommend that you've done at least an associate level certification or you have equivalent experience in the industry. So for example, you might have completed the AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate course, or a professional level would be even better. Now the reason for that is that I'm going to cover networking in a lot of depth, but I might not be teaching you some of the AWS services we're going to be talking about from the very beginning. So you're expected to have a working understanding of services like EC2 or Amazon S3, for example. This course has been created for the ANSC01 version of the exam, so it covers all of the latest topics that are appearing in the version of the exam that was released in 2022. Alongside this course, you'll find our practice test course. That also will cover all of the topics you need to know to pass the latest version of this challenging exam. The questions in our practice test course mirror the types of scenarios that you're going to see in the real exam, including the level of difficulty, the phraseology, and so on. Now, in terms of how to use this course, I highly recommend starting from the very beginning and working through the lessons in order. You'll find a course download lesson at the end of this section. Make sure you download the code from GitHub, and then you'll be able to do all the hands-on lessons. I highly recommend that you do complete as many hands-on lessons as you can, as hands-on experience is really useful for making sure that you fully understand the topics we're covering. You'll also find exam crams at the end of each section, and those help you really drill in on the knowledge that you need to know for your exam. Now, I recommend that you do get started with the practice test very early on in your study. Don't leave it right till the end. It's a really great way both to test your knowledge, but also to pick up knowledge as well. We have detailed explanations and reference links with all of our questions, so that's where you'll find some additional subject matter. So that's it for this lesson. I hope you enjoy the course, and I'll see you in the next lesson.